Hello there, and welcome back to Cool Evolution Facts. This is Video 3, Neanderthals, Part B. It's long been suspected that our species, Homo sapiens, may have played a major role in the extinction of our close cousins, the Neanderthals. Some of the primary hypotheses for this was that we either killed them directly through warfare, or that we just simply outcompeted them for resources. And this would especially be a problem for the Neanderthals as their habitat was changing because of the end of the Ice Age, for which they were very well adapted. However, a third hypothesis, which at one time seemed less likely, has gained some traction lately, and that is that we may have loved them to death. Specifically, in our DNA throughout most of the world, except Africa, in Asia, Europe, and the Americas, we almost all carry from 1 to 5% Neanderthal DNA in our own genes, which shows not only that there was intermating between Neanderthals and Homo sapiens, but that it was probably also widespread. Now, Neanderthals never had very large populations. They covered a lot of ground on the Earth, but their population sizes were all very small, and there were great distances between population clusters during the Ice Age. Our ancestors, Homo sapiens, greatly outnumbered them. So if there was widespread mating, it could be that our genes, our modern human genes, our Homo sapiens genes, simply swamped theirs and replaced them over time. It's also very likely that our genes would be more adaptable in the post-Ice Age environment than their genes would have been. So in that way, our genes also would have outcompeted theirs. Not competing in an individual level as in we're after the same food, but when Homo sapiens and Neanderthals mated, it was the Homo sapiens genes that proved to be stronger and therefore replaced the Neanderthals. Another way this could have happened is, and we don't know this yet, but it is possible that hybrids of Neanderthals and Homo sapiens, even though they were clearly able to mate, and reproduce, they were able to reproduce, which is how we have their DNA in us, they may have been less fertile than either the pure Homo sapien or pure Neanderthal individuals. And again, since our ancestors outnumbered them, that would spell much more of a problem for the Neanderthals. They would have died anyway. Neanderthals would have gone extinct because they were so well adapted for the Ice Age, and their prey animals were so well adapted for the Ice Age, and they were going to go extinct also. However, their species may have lasted a little bit longer if we had loved them just a little bit less. Thanks for watching. I hope you like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, and share, and do whatever else, and tell your friends, and come back and watch future videos. Thanks.